Okay, first thing we gotta talk about the ropes we're gonna use today. This rope is a grappling rope. It's a static rope. It doesn't stretch. It can hold more than 2.3 tons. This rope we're using today is 40-meter rope. You need to check the rope to make sure there are no tears. It's straight, everything is okay. Now we're going to make sure the rope is long enough. After I unwind the rope, before I tie it up, I want to check it's long enough and it goes to the end of the building, because you don't want to get stuck when you're going down without enough rope. So the first thing I gotta throw it down, I gotta look down to see it gets to the bottom. So this is about the rope.